Good morning, students. Today we discuss multiplication of fractions. That means how we multiply two or more than two fractions. By a rule, product of fraction is equal to product of their numerator upon product of their denominator. Suppose 5 by 8 and 4 by 7. There are two fractions. So when we multiply two or more than two fractions, first we write the product of numerator. Which are numerator? 5 and 4. So 5 multiplied 4 upon product of their denominator. Which are their denominator? 8 and 7. So 8 into 7. Next we see that 4 and 8 both are divisible by 4. So 4 1 4 4 2 8. So 5 into 1 5 2 into 7 14. So 5 upon 8 multiplied 4 upon 7 is equal to 5 upon 14. Simplify 3 upon 3 over 1 upon 16 into 7 over 3 upon 7 into 1 over 25 upon 13. That means we have to multiply 3 fractions. So first we convert each of the given fraction into improper fraction. 16 3 48 plus 1 49 by 16 into 7 into 7 49 plus 3 52 by 7 95 39 into 1 39 plus 25 64 upon 38. Next, according to the rules of multiplication of fraction, product of their numerators, that is 49 into 52 into 64 upon product of their denominators 16 into 7 into 39. So it is clear that 7 is divisible by 49 is divisible by 7. So 7 1 7 7 7 49. 30 4 52 13 3 39. 16 1 16 16 4 64. So 7 into 4 into 4 upon 3. 7 into 4 into 4 upon 3. Find 9 upon 20 of a meter, 5 upon 6 of a year. So how we can find 9 by 20 part of a meter? So 9 by 20, we know that of means multiplied a meter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 0 0 cancel, 2 5 10. So 9 into 5 upon 1, that is 45 centimeter. So 9 by 20 of a meter is equal to 45 centimeter. Similarly, 5 upon 6 of a year equal to 5 upon 6 of means multiply a year means how many months? 12 months. So 6 into 12, 5 into 12, product of numerator upon product of denominator. So 6 1 6, 6 2 12. So 5 into 2 upon 1. 10 months. So 5 by 6 of a year is equal to 10 months. A car covers a certain distance. Certain distance means some distance at a uniform speed. Uniform speed means equal speed. That means speed never be changed. So a car covers some distance with equal speed 66 whole 2 upon 3 kilometer per hour. In 1 hour, a car moves 66 whole 2 upon 3 kilometer. So, how much distance it will it cover in 9 hours? 1 hour. In 1 hour, a car moves 66 or 2 upon 3 kilometer. So, in 9 hours, we have to find how much distance it will cover. So, time will increase, then distance will be increased. So, in this problem, we multiplied both the numbers. So the distance covered by the car in 9 hours is equal to speed into time. So speed is equal to 66 whole 2 upon 3. Time is 9 hours. So 9 kilometer. Next we convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Kilometer. So product of numerator upon product of denominator. Next 3 and 9 both are divisible by 3. So 3 1 3 3 3 9. 200 into 3 600 kilometer. So the car moves 9 hours 600 kilometers. Question number 9. 9 boards are stacked on the top of each other. The thickness of each board is 3 whole 2 upon 3 centimeter. How high is the stack? Suppose there are 9 boards. Each board stacked on other. So the height of, that is the thickness of one board is 3 whole 2 upon 3 centimeter. Then the height of 9 board will be increased. So in this case, we multiply the given numbers. Generally, when increase, we multiply, and decrease, we divide. So thickness of one board is equal to 3 whole 2 upon 3 centimeter, that is 11 upon 3 centimeter. Then the height of 9 board will be increased. So we multiplied 11 upon 3 by 9 centimeter. So product of numerator upon product of denominator. 3 and 9 both are divisible by 3. 3 1 3 3 3 9. 33 upon 1, that is 33 centimeter. So height of 9 cardboard is equal to 33 centimeter. There are 42 students in a class. So in a class, total number of students is 42. And 5 upon 7 of the students, 5 upon 7 of total students are boys. So how many girls are there in the class? So total number of students is equal to 42 and number of boys is equal to 5 upon 7 of the student of total student. So 5 upon 7 of means multiply total students. How many? There are how many total students? 42 is equal to 42. 7 and 42 both are divisible by 7. So 7 1 7, 7 6, 42. So 5 into 6, 30. So out of 42 students, there are 30 students are boys. So how many girls are there? Number of girls is equal to total student, that is 42, minus number of boys 30 is equal to 12. So there are 12 girls in the class. Each side of a square feet is 4 whole 2 upon 3 meter. Find its area. So there is a field whose shape is square, and we also know that square of side of a square, each side of a square is equal. So length of each side of a square feet is 4 whole 2 upon 3 meter. Then we have to find its area. So length of each side of the field is equal to 4 whole 2 upon 3 meter is equal to 14 upon 3 meter. Then the area of the field is equal to, we know that area of a square is side into side, that is 14 upon 3 is multiplied 2 times. Side is equal to 14 upon 3 meter into 14 upon 3 meter. So product of numerator upon product of denominator. Meter into meter, meter square. So 14 into 14, 196. 3 into 3, 9 meter square. We can convert into next fraction. 9 to 18, 7 upon 9 meters. So the area of the square field is 21 whole 3 upon 9 meters. If the field is rectangular, then the area of the rectangular field is equal to length multiplied breadth.